Ho 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 and Merry Christmas to you, or nice and silent Christmas Eve or morning wherever you are. So I did interpret like 3 weeks ago in the baritone version for me last Christmas, more moody, more smooth in the original keys, which is D, B minor, E minor, and A. And I changed a little bit the keys, and as a Christmas gift, I explain it to you how I did it. So Last Christmas is played in D, then B minor, E minor, and A. So if you want, you can play it just simple with the regular island strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So it's D, then B minor, E minor, and A. And you can play the whole song through for chorus and verse. And repeat every chord: D major, B minor, E minor, and A twice. But I changed it a little bit. So as you see, I don't play the regular D. I play D sus2. So the first finger, second fret, third string, and the ring finger, third fret, second string. And I play down, down, up, up, but with a rest stroke. Down, I rest on the third string, then down again, up, up, down, up. Okay. But to make it more interesting, I change the D sus2 in the regular D chord. And I play a hammer-on. So I play rest stroke, down, then down again, up, and then when I do the up, I hammer on with my second finger, second fret, first string. Down, down, up, hammer on, up, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up, hammer on, up, down, up. Down, rest stroke, down, up, hammer on, up, down, up. Okay. And then I change the regular B minor in B minor 6. So first finger, second fret, third string, and the second finger, second fret, first string. And the same procedure. Down, rest stroke, down, up, and then hammer on, and we change it into a D chord. Up, down, up. So down, rest stroke, down, up, hammer on, up, down, up. Down, rest stroke, down, up, hammer on, up, down, up. Ooh. please give yourself the time and practice those variations with maximum 60 BPM until you're in the goal of 107, 109 BPM as Last Christmas in the original version. Or just play these as two, like without the hammer on, like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then the B minor 6, down, down, up, down, up. So you don't have to ruin or crude yourself with a hammer on. Do it as soon as you are safe with playing with the rest stroke, the island strum. Then we jump over to the E minor. So, second finger on the 5th fret, the first finger on the 4th fret, the second finger on the 4th string, and the first finger on the 2nd string. And then we play down, rest stroke, down, up, and I do a hammer on the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and up, down, up. Okay, down, rest stroke, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or you play it like I thought or told you before. Down, 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 up, down, up. And then we hop into another A chord. 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 4th string. Then the 2nd finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string, and the 1st finger on the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and we have another version of an A. And this time we do it a little bit vice versa. We still play the island strum, down, down, rest stroke, down, up, and then we lift the index finger, up, down, up. So we have another beautiful version of an A. So down, rest stroke, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Or play it like this, down, down, up, down, up. Okie dokie. So, slowly repetition, but if you want, I have it for free to download the PDF with the tab. So, these are two, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, okay. B minor 6, down, so the hammer-on brings you, I think, a little bit more light or a special groove. And then the E. The A, vice versa, we lift the finger. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so if you want, just do it the whole song through like this. Or we can play a tiny melody. So we play the D sus2. We strum like a roll. Okay. And then the 4th string again. 3rd string, 2nd string. Okay. Then we do the same again. And then you play regular D. So, D sus2, 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string, again, D sus2, D, the 1st string, then the 2nd string, leave your ring finger, and play 2 times the 2nd string. I repeat. D, then 2nd string, lift the ring finger and 2 times. Slowly, the whole. Okay. Then you play the B minor. Like we did before. Once through every string. And then you hop with your pinky on the 5th fret, 2nd string, 2 times. Then 2 times the 1st string. Then backwards to your pinky. Then you lift the pinky. Slowly, B minor. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Just a change of middle and index. Then you play your E chord and run up the 1st and 2nd string. Then you hop over to the 2nd fret and the 3rd, and then 2nd string, 3rd fret. So just let the song run through your mind. It's easier to get familiar with the melody, okay? 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3. Okay. And then you play the regular A chord. And then if you know how to play harmonics, You play harmonic first on the 15th fret one time, then on the 14th. Oops. Okay. You strum A. Then you jump with your pinky on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. You play a harmonic on the 15th once. Then you lift your pinky on the 14th fret twice, on the 15th once, and then you hop over to the 3rd string, 14th fret, and finalize it. Again. A chord, pinky on the 3rd fret, the 15th once, the 14th twice, 15 once, 14 once, and 14 once. And then you repeat the whole procedure again. So today it's a pretty fast tutorial, but I hand out for free the tabs. And maybe just start playing like the regular island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, and down, down, up, and down, 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 up, down, up. And then you play the island strum with the rest stroke. Down, down, up. And so on. So you see it's getting more smooth and lovely, and I think it supports more the sound of the baritone. So enjoy it, have a silent night, and keep grooving and learning, and play maybe the next day or the next 2 holy days. Last Christmas. Have fun, and I love you, and next time with a new tutorial.